I love reusing materials and working with objects that already exist. I think there's nothing like seeing potential in something that nobody else sees. It's almost like a modern day treasure hunt. That's why we love flea markets, that's why we love dumpster diving, and that's why we love garage sales. And this week I found myself in a really cool treasure hunt. Oh my god! It all started with me going online and looking for storage containers. I want to give my workshop a little love. It's just too messy, especially this main area here. There's dust everywhere, it's super unorganized. So I went online looking for cases or whatever I could find, and I stumbled upon this picture. And here we have our parallel to an actual treasure hunt. You only see what you know. This is like Indiana Jones picking the right grail because his father made him study history all his life. I only knew what I was looking at because I had this really shitty job as a flight case builder, and I knew how these cases were made. So there were a couple features that stood out to me that told me that this is not a regular case. The first thing that stood out to me is that those cases were made from aluminum and not from wood. This is extremely rare because obviously aluminum is much more expensive than wood and the whole fabrication is much more difficult. So you only do this if you really want to save weight and also if you have the money for that. Second thing I noticed is the rivets. Usually you use these regular pop rivets that have a hole in the middle, and these ones are solid, which I don't really know why they did this. This is very unusual, so this stood out to me. And the third thing is they have power inlets on the back of each and every case. So there must have been machines or computers or whatever inside, and that really piqued my attention. So we agreed on a deal for all 25 boxes, and later in the video I will tell you how much I paid, but for now I want to see what you guess, because I think I made a really good deal on those.
Ey, ohne Scheiß, das ist das Geilste, was ich je gekauft habe. Aber Untertitel dann.
And now the big reveal. Are you ready for this? So I could tell by the labels, and also the seller confirmed this. These boxes are a former mobile espionage defense unit. No kidding. This is what those were made for. That's why they are so high quality, lightweight, all the power inlets. I mean, that's proper James Bond stuff.
Und guck mal, weggemacht. James Bond.
What are the chances that you find something like this online? I was only looking for storage cases. So as you can imagine, I was pretty excited to unpack all of these boxes, and it took me over a day to open up every case and to see what's inside. Dude, the labels are insane. They have like night vision stuff. They have listening devices. They have lock picks. They have all different kinds of stuff. One box even has a fridge. So now, what's my plan for all of these 25 cases? As I said in the beginning, I want to restructure my workshop. While I have a really good system for all my consumables like screws and all these little parts, I don't really have a good system for my tools, power tools and hand tools. And that's what I want to do with these crates. So you can expect some tool storage content in the future. And now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. How much did I pay for all of this? I paid 100 euros per crate. And yes, that is definitely a lot of money, but if you think of how well made these cases are, what would you pay for a regular workshop trolley? Like, these are expensive too, right? Plus, they have all the power supplies, and just these little Siemens boxes cost around 100 euros. So I think I made a really, really good deal on these. They will update my workshop, and most of all, I am having a really good time with these cases. So next week I'm going all in and will try to fit all of my tools into these incredible crates. And until then, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.